Welcome to the Robo Cup. Here we are, the players are making their way onto the pitch, and we have a kickoff. Both teams are battling for possession of the ball right from the start, but as Blue's goalkeeper stands idly by, the Pinks take a shot for the box and we have a goal! What a fantastic start to the game. What are we doing here, French? Cheering on robots that can't even stand straight. Look at these clumsy little things and tell me you have hate for them in your heart. Alright, these things are cute, but that was the 2022 Robo Cup. How about this year's one? Aren't they spooky? Okay. Look at that, they can actually take a shot, and their movements look a little bit smoother. They do look better, especially with that fancy editing, but why are you so afraid? They're developing so fast. Who knows, maybe next year they're going to beat my hero, Cristiano Ronaldo. Okay, chill. You saw how they're still not able to defend a goal, and they still trip up one another. Such dastardly behavior. And they have started working together, being able to sync up and share information from one robot to the other. Are you really not worried about these robots taking over? Why would I be scared? These robots would never be able to beat a human player. You sound just like the people in the 80s that thought that the machines would never beat humans at chess. Now look at the world. Even top Go players have been beaten by AI. Those people who thought robots could never beat humans were proven completely wrong in the past. So what if robots get better at us than football? That seems a long way away from the robots that still keep falling over anyways, and people are still playing chess and Go in competitions. Swimming still happens in the Olympics despite us having jet skis. Okay, maybe you're right. There is something to real humans playing real sports. While there are some issues brought up by the development of robots this fast, maybe football isn't the biggest problem here. I just hope that they don't come for my boy, Cristiano Ronaldo. I know one football player, so I've got to read up on football. Until next time, take care.